Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will be replacing the RAM from a motherboard of a Dell Latitude 5420. This is Core i7 laptop with 16GB of RAM and 512GB of SSD. Let's open the laptop. In order to open the laptop, we need a toolkit. By using the screwdrivers, we will open all the screws from the back of the laptop. Make sure all the screws are open and then lift the back of the laptop. The back cover of the laptop is clipped with the laptop, therefore we have to use these plastic tools to remove those clips so that we can lift the back cover. As you can see, in the middle of the laptop, two green chips. These are the RAM and you can easily take them out to replace it with the new one or the extended one. This laptop has two RAMs, 8GB each. You see two small hinges at the end of each RAM. Just pull them out and the RAM will pop up. Now you can take out the RAM and put the new one, or if you want to put a bigger RAM, like in my case I have 8GB, you can replace it with 16 or 32, depending on how much your motherboard supports. Now in order to put it back, slide in the same position, you take it out and press it down. You will hear a click sound, which means that the hinges at the corner of the RAM grabs the RAM firmly. Now put the cover back and make sure all the clips stay properly seated in the laptop. Tie all the screws back and remember, make sure there's no gaps between the cover and the laptop. Now your laptop should be ready to use. Thank you for watching the video.